In the previous videos, we saw how to add paddings, margins, and borders. So in this video, we will learn how to control the dimensions of an element. So CSS provides us the following properties. The height property, which is used to set the height of a box, the width property to set its width, the max height property, the min height, the max width, and the min width. So let's see how to use them. The height and width property can be set to auto, which is the default value. This means that the browser will do the job for us and calculate the height and width. But you can have a full control over that. For example, if we set a value of 300 pixels to the height of this div, now our element has a height of 300 pixels. And the same applies to the width property. Please keep in mind that the height and width properties do not include paddings, borders, and margins. They only set the height and width of the content area, meaning the area inside the paddings, borders, and margins of the element. And in order to figure out the total width of the element, you take the width plus left padding plus right padding plus left border plus right border plus left margin plus right margin. And the total height is calculated like this. Height plus top padding plus bottom padding plus top border plus bottom border plus top margin plus bottom margins. So it may become very hard and complex in order to figure out these dimensions. Fortunately, there is a property called box sizing. Well, box sizing property is used to tell the browser what the height and the width should include. By default, it is set to the content box, which includes only the content area. But if you give it a value of border box, now figuring out the dimensions of an element is fairly easy. Let's see another property. We have the max height property. This property allows you to specify the maximum height of a box. You have also the min height property, which is used to set the minimum height of a box. And we have the same properties for the width with the max width property and min width property.